It's David and Susan again, and we are going to take down a black walnut in our yard today. It came up too close to a building over here, and it's just about to get where it's overhanging that building, and so we're going to take it down before it gets to be a big problem. And running through the numbers, it's an 11-inch diameter, so we're going to build a hinge in that about 80% of that, 8 to 9 inches long, just under an inch thick. And if we look up at the crown, it kind of spreads out. It looks like it's got a little back weight, and it also has headwind pushing on it. We're going to be taking a tree that way and going to put it between the crowns of two other trees out here. So I've got an aiming spot out there in the driveway where I'm going to aim at. And I'll be working from the other side so you can see the saw working. And I've got a camera down here to get pictures of the stump as we build it. So we'll be making a face. I'll be boring through from the other side. You'll see the chainsaw come out here. I'm going to cut out half of the back, put a wedge in, cut out the other half, and then wedge it over. And we'll pause before I cut the other half out so Susan can move the camera back into a safe zone. We've got the old 272 here today. I hope it runs good. Now we take our stick, we measure. We're looking to have a hinge about 9 inches long, and we're almost 12. We got a hinge that's plenty long. Okay, I'm going to bore through from the other side now. Okay, Susan, you need to move the camera on back now because I'm going to be cutting it loose. Okay, I'm going to fire up again. Okay. Very nice. Got the hinge just a little thick. It's maybe just over an inch. So I got the hinge plenty thick. Hey, thank you very much for watching. It looks like I found work. Now we take our stick, we measure. We're looking to have a hinge about 9 inches long, and we're almost 12. We got a hinge that's plenty long. Okay, I'm going to bore through from the other side now. Okay, Susan, you need to move the camera on back now. Well, just enough so you can see the action. Are we ready?
The other camera's going to show that.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to fire up again. Okay.